Hey, so come and watch me put together my birthday outfit. I was so happy to have found this fabric at Joan's. I thought it would have been perfect for the outfit. So to create the pattern for these pants, I'm going to use some stacked jeans I have. And then after cutting this side out, which is the front side, I'll be flipping the pants to the back side to get the back pattern. And let's make sure we're leaving seam allowance.
Did this one.
Ooh. Yeah.
And I plan on adding an elastic band to my pants, but the thing is I forgot to add 1 inch or 2 of extra fabric seam allowance to it. So the pants kind of fit me like low rise or low waisted, but I want it high waisted. So just when you cut out your pants, make sure you add that extra inch for the elastic band.
Break time over, nigga. Family and the money, only thing that make me happy. I was finna match with you, but I can't lie, yo, we just crappy. I got kids.
So this part is where I should have went up about 1 inch or 2. That way I could get the high-waisted look I was looking for.
So I put a bitch out there, she call me daddy. Real dumper, I can beat her quickly if you send a addy. I'm a trapper, baby, I've been trying to change it for a minute, but the fiends calling even though I went up on a ticket. Hate the time change, it was 100 G in the pandemic. Tell your boyfriend to chill, cause I'm the reason he ain't finished. That's a fact, somebody need to tell the feds I only rap. Communication with killers, they ain't a crime, they setting traps. I stopped talking to Cole, cause I realized it can be crack. I'm having visions to move, pulling up, stunting in the lane. I done caused pain, trying to be there. I pull back, I'm doing fine, and my mental together. Tell them that I done had a dog car full of guns with a lot of stacks, but when it get quiet, I still ask God why you ain't coming back. I was hurt before, a smile through it all, ain't show a crack. You trying to, it's hard to, I've been lied to, I'm trying to, it's hard to.
The best way to get an even cut is pinning down your pattern onto the fabric, just so it doesn't move around and everything stays in place. You will get an evenly cut with this method.
I've been lied to, I'ma make it through. Wake up, do the routine before I smoke a wood. Call up Tay, I don't want shit, just making sure he good.
Pinning your fabric down during the cutting stages also saves you time when it comes down to sewing. That way you don't have to repin when you're sewing your pieces together. And then after you sew down the middle seams of the pants, just sew down one pants leg before putting in your, the elastic band. And then wait to sew that last leg. Now that the cutting is done, I'm going to be sewing down the middle seams of the pants. The shirt I'll be making will be off the shoulders, so I just grabbed a random sleeve to use as my pattern. When adding the elastic band, make sure you sew that down first at the top, then sew the pants leg together with the finishing look for that, and then you want to go ahead and sew down the elastic band for the second time. So you just fold it over and sew it down. And I'm sorry, I had a better video of the step-by-steps, but it got deleted, so I'm just gonna have to break down everything. Since the shirt is off the shoulders, I sewed the sleeves down first, and then I added the band around it.
Oh, did this one.
Ooh. Yeah. Break time over, nigga. Family and the money, only thing that make me happy. I was finna match with you, but I can't lie, yo, we just crappy.
This is how it looks when she folded down. I was just going to keep it strapless, but I decided to add the straps, and I was just able to sew that down from the inside and then flip the shirt over, like the band part. And then I even added a little string to the sleeves. The strings are detachable, so I'm sorry I wasn't able to show you guys the step by step. Like I said, the video did get deleted, but I tried to do my best with the explanation of how I put it together. And here is the final look. I decided to use the extra fabric as a scarf, and it came out really cute, and it went along with the outfit perfectly.
I've been lied to. I'ma make it through. Wake up.